Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to upload high-quality video on TikTok. If you've been searching for a way to upload HD quality video on TikTok, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To upload high-quality video on TikTok, first of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you are in TikTok, tap the plus icon at the bottom center of the screen to create a new TikTok. After you tap, a new screen will appear, where you can either create a new TikTok video or upload a video from your device gallery. I'm going to upload a video from my mobile device. Now, choose the video you want to upload from your gallery. Make sure it is in high resolution. Once you've selected your video, tap on the next button. Now, you are on the video editor screen. You can apply any TikTok filters or effects, or add music to your video as needed. When you're satisfied with your video, tap the next button. Here, you can add a description and tag someone. To upload this video in high HD quality, find and tap on More Options before posting. A pop-up screen will appear. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section. Here, you will see various settings options. Scroll down to allow high-quality upload and enable the toggle switch next to it. Once enabled, go back and tap on the Post button to upload your TikTok video in high quality.